Creating a quick video how to replace the screen on Swift 3 Acer. The usual method of taking the frame off, just extend the screen and usually just clicks out. I already unclicked it, that's why it's so easy to take off, but it is all simple. Now the screen has two stripes of adhesive behind there and there. So this is the old screen. It's basically the adhesive is thick to there, along there and along here to the metal bit. Okay, it is very sticky, it's very difficult to get the screen off, but by using just the usual plastic tools you can get behind. I'll show where that is actually located. So I placed one of them back. It was obviously along here and the other one goes along here. So you need to get behind it. We heated up the back with a heat gun or even a hairdryer. Basically that's all it takes. The clip itself is just the usual 30 pin. It will easily replace, and yeah, we'll use some glue or adhesive to put back or there or there or on the metal and then we'll stick it back. That's it. Fairly straightforward, but it was very difficult to actually take the screen off. But once the screen is broken, that is okay to put some pressure on there. Thanks for watching.